On this episode of Dumpster Diving, well, we're not really dumpster diving. We're digging for buried treasure, okay? We purchased a home back in October, and we're just thinning out some trees in the back of the property. And as I'm taking the trees down, I noticed that I'm digging up a lot of scrap metal. So literally, we're finding buried treasure. Check it out. Here we are, we got the trusty handy dandy little 304 cat going. We got Mom and Aubrey here supervising. Daisy's inspecting the load of loot that we got here. It's all just buried here. We got, it's hard to see, but that's actually the head off some kind of engine. Probably an old dozer or something, who knows. Just random scrap pipes, pieces of iron, but hey, every little bit helps, right? Let's see, we got more stuff over here. It's all stuff that's just, all this stuff was just buried. Got like this is an old tricycle or something. Pretty cool. It's all just buried out here. You never know what you'll find. Aubrey! Hey! Get over here! She loves the tractor. Check this out. Look at these pieces of iron that are literally intertwined in the base of the tree. How cool is that? You never know what you're gonna find. Yeah, it's all throughout the bottom. There's all tin in here. There's all kind of stuff. It's pretty cool.